Did you know that the global cloud computing market is expected to reach $1,554 billion by 2030? If you've been thinking about starting a career in cloud computing, now is the time. Introducing ThinkCloudly, an online educational platform for gaining knowledge, skills, and new opportunities by understanding the cloud. At ThinkCloudly, we understand the impact the cloud and management programs can make on our students' lives. All of our online courses feature engaging lessons with small class sizes, live projects, and lifetime access. Our programs include lessons in AWS, Azure, DevOps, Scrum, Business Analyst, and more. Investing in your education gives you an advantage in the business world and the best possible chance at a thriving financial future. We help our students with job placement, resume writing, certificate assistance, and more. Take control of your career. Visit www.thinkcloudly.com to join our platform.